you looking for the best 40-gallon gas water heater? In this video, we will break down the top 6 40-gallon gas water heaters on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Hi there! Here at Tools Informer, we're a group of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research new and trending products to create a list of top picks with a buying guide for every category based on product's features, quality, price, and user feedback. If you choose from our list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available today. Make sure to check the product links down below in the description. And please, like the video and subscribe to our channel to get more product reviews and buying guides regularly.
At number 1, SUNBANK Solar. This solar water heater is the most energy-efficient type of water heater, which makes it perfect for conscious consumers and households that want to lower their energy bills. The SUNBANK 40G is suitable for households of 1 to 3 people, and is incredibly efficient thanks to the clever, well-insulated design that minimizes heat loss. It's so well-insulated that it's not uncommon for it to lose less than 10 degrees of heat overnight. Solar water heaters are usually difficult to install, but the SUNBANK is actually pretty easy, and shouldn't take all that long. It might be a little expensive, but with energy prices on the rise, this thing will pay for itself eventually. It's also virtually maintenance-free, so you don't have to worry about maintenance bills either. At number 2, WESTINGHOUSE Water Heater. This 40-gallon water heater consumes electricity and provides an uninterrupted water supply without getting overheated. Once you give yourself a treat in the form of this heater, you will be amazed by its efficacy and practicality. This heater directs water to heating material in the bottom quickly and saves thermal energy up to 98%. Sediment and lime accumulation is a common problem in those heaters which are used extensively. However, because of its laser-weighted tank, sediment buildup won't be a problem for you. You'd get a 10 years warranty with this lightweight and compact heater. No more worries of dripping hose because this stainless steel water heater is made to assist you in all possible ways. At number 3, BRADFORD White Gas Water Heater. The BRADFORD White 40-gallon natural gas water heater is one of the more reliable gas water heaters on the market. One thing that this company does is keep things simple. If you are looking for something flashy or loaded with unnecessary technology, then you may want to look another direction. But if you prefer reliability and quality, you are in the right place. The BRADFORD White is a no-frills water heater that provides you with consistent hot water. Every component of this gas water heater is made from brass or stainless steel and is heavy duty. At number 4, ECOSMART GPVT 40 Gas Water Heater. This water heater includes spectacular features and specifications. The igniter and non-CFC foam insulation are successful in gaining our attention. The company offers a warranty for 6 years, which further provides peace of mind. The heater maintains the temperature of water for a long period of time. It does this by trapping the heat inside. Owners of any hotel can install this heater in their resorts to provide their visitors maximum comfort and ease. Tourists can relax after traveling by taking hot showers. People can also use it in their homes to wash dirty clothes and greasy dishes. They can even use it to remove oily stains from their garages. The exterior coating of this water heater deserves a lot of appreciation. People can use it in their hotels, resorts, homes, and industries. It includes amazing protective features. By using this water heater, you can get hot water within a few minutes. It is a worthy investment. At number 5, RHEEM PROG 4040N Water Heater. The RHEEM 40-gallon gas water heater is majorly appealing to households who want to cut down on their electric consumption, but still need hot water in their homes. Gas heaters typically have lower operating costs compared to electric heaters. This RHEEM water heater has a UF efficiency of 0.58 to 0.66. This means that it can produce more hot water with lesser gas usage, making it more environmentally friendly. Its heaters have low nitrogen oxide emissions, which is better, mostly if used at home. One of the best features of this model is it is designed to last for a long time. It has a solid build, and it uses a registered RHEEM exclusive R-Tech premium grade no drop. This is intended to ensure that the tank can last a long time. At number 6, the ECOSMART Eco 3636 kW Water Heater. The Eco 36 is one of the best electric 40-gallon water heater out of the entire line of similar water heaters that ECOSMART has. It's surprising to find that it can handle a large single-family home where multiple appliances are using that hot water, no matter if it's in colder climates also. If you look at its capacity, you can have 4 showers and 2 sinks running simultaneously, and there will be equal flow of water in each one of them. Its smart technology helps you save a lot of energy as well, because every time you won't be using it to full. It will adjust energy usage based on how much hot water is needed. This way you won't have to worry about your energy bills every time you switch on the water heater. There are digital controls also present that allow you to customize its functioning even more. As soon as you switch it on, the flow rate will start at 0.3 GPM and go up to 6 GPM in no time.
Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your field.